Ever wondered how AI can help you generate content? Welcome to the fascinating realm of AI content generation. In the digital age, crafting compelling content is key, and AI is becoming an invaluable ally in this endeavor. This isn't just a fleeting trend, but a paradigm shift in content creation. AI tools are unlocking new potentials, enabling us to produce content that is unique, engaging, and tailored to our needs. So, without further ado, let's dive into the world of AI tools that can help you create unique and engaging content for free. Starting off our list is the powerful GPT-3 from OpenAI. This advanced AI tool has some pretty impressive features up its sleeve. The key highlight of GPT-3 is its ability to generate human-like text. This isn't just any text. We're talking about coherent, contextually relevant, and, dare we say, almost indistinguishable from something a human might write. Whether you're looking to draft emails, write articles, or even generate creative stories, GPT-3 is your go-to AI buddy. And the cherry on top? OpenAI provides free access to GPT-3 for a limited number of API calls. This means you can experiment and play around with this tool without shelling out a single penny. Now, isn't that a steal? But don't just take our word for it. Give it a whirl and see the magic unfold. GPT-3 sets a high standard in the AI content generation field, but let's see what other tools can offer. Next on our list is BERT, a groundbreaking tool developed by Google. BERT, which stands for Bidirectional Encoder Representations from Transformers, is a game-changer in the realm of natural language processing. Unlike traditional language models that read text from left to right or right to left, BERT is bidirectional. It looks at the entire context of a word by examining the words that come before and after it in a sentence. This ability to understand context is what sets BERT apart. So how does this play into content generation? Well, BERT's deep understanding of context allows it to produce relevant and coherent content. Whether it's generating blog posts, crafting engaging social media posts, or even writing product descriptions, BERT's proficiency in interpreting context makes it an excellent tool for creating meaningful and engaging content. BERT's deep understanding of context makes it a valuable tool for content creators. Moving on, we have the Hugging Face Transformers. This AI tool is a veritable titan in the realm of language understanding and generation. It is designed to provide the most advanced general-purpose architectures for natural language understanding, or NLU, and natural language generation, or NLG. Imagine having the ability to comprehend intricate text patterns, nuances, and even the most subtle linguistic cues. Now couple that with the capacity to generate human-like text that's virtually indistinguishable from something a real person might write. That's the power Hugging Face Transformers hold. It's not just about comprehension and generation, though. Hugging Face Transformers are also incredibly versatile. They can be fine-tuned and adapted to a multitude of specific tasks, making them a truly flexible tool in your AI arsenal. So whether you're delving into sentiment analysis, text classification, or even machine translation, Hugging Face Transformers are a formidable ally. Hugging Face Transformers bring the power of top-performing models like BERT and GPT-3 to the masses. There are several other AI tools worth mentioning. First up is Microsoft's Turing NLG. This is an AI model that's been trained on a plethora of web pages to understand and generate human-like text. It's great for creating content that reads as if it was written by a human and could be a fantastic tool for bloggers, journalists, and content creators. Next, we have InferKit. This tool takes a different approach, allowing users to generate long-form content by giving a detailed prompt. The AI then takes this prompt and generates a comprehensive piece of writing. It's perfect for those who need help in getting started or expanding on an idea. Talk to Transformer is another tool worth exploring. This AI uses GPT-2, a predecessor to GPT-3, and it's great for generating shorter pieces of text. It's an excellent tool for microblogging or creating social media posts. Then there's TextBlaze. This is a tool that uses AI to complete your sentences, making it a great choice for those who are looking for a tool to speed up their writing process. It's like having your very own AI assistant that knows exactly what you want to say next. Jarvis is another AI tool that deserves a mention. Named after the AI assistant from Iron Man, Jarvis uses GPT-3 to generate human-like text. It's versatile and can be used for a variety of tasks, from drafting emails to creating blog posts. Lastly, we have Write with Transformer. This tool is unique because it allows you to write alongside the AI. You can start a sentence, and the AI will suggest how to finish it, making it a great tool for collaborative writing. These tools all offer unique features that can assist in content generation, depending on your specific needs. AI is revolutionizing the way we generate content. In this video, we've delved into some of the best free tools that are leading this revolution. Firstly, we examined OpenAI's GPT-3, a language prediction model that can generate human-like text and is transforming the way we approach content creation. Then, we looked at Google's BERT, a powerful tool that understands the context of words in a sentence, making content generation more accurate and meaningful. We also explored Hugging Face Transformers, a platform that offers thousands of pre-trained models to help you generate content in a snap. In addition, we swiftly moved through a series of other outstanding AI tools. These tools not only provide unique benefits, but also leverage the power of AI to make content generation more efficient and effective. Now, let's cast an eye towards the future. The role of AI in content generation is only set to grow. As these tools evolve, they will continue to break new grounds, creating richer, more engaging content that connects with audiences on a deeper level. The possibilities are truly limitless. Exploring these AI tools can open up a world of possibilities for content creation, so why not give them a try?